All right, I'm going to make this very simple. How to use this agent, how to get it set up, all the things that you're probably wondering. Because at first glance, it may seem complicated, but I've quickly learned that taking the extra couple of minutes here to understand it is going to save you so much time. So you could just go over to another tab and work on another project if you've got multiple things that you're juggling. So, first things first, press this button where it says agent. So it's white. You'll see it like start to do the thing. And you're going to set this up because you don't want it to produce random styles like cartoon anime, and you don't want to have to explain all of that over and over again. So just like when you have projects in Claude, you're going to go and set up the instructions for your agent. Okay. Right here, there's 2 different things. Right here is settings. That's where you're gonna change, the aspect ratio of your video, the type of video. So you have options. You can do, high quality, you could do Omni Flash. I'm gonna stick with VO 3.1 Lite, lower priority because that saves on my credits because I have a subscription to the Ultra plan currently. This is going to be 0 credit on my account. And if you are making any type of images, it's probably a good idea to let the agent know that they are 916 if you are working on like social media platforms. Okay. So I'm going to go back, and then here you see the round button. If you click on that, here you can create different instructions. You could turn them on and off as well, that you can reference images. Like on this project, I actually referenced an image of a storyboard. You could do whatever you feel comfortable with, but I'm going to give you, just do this very quickly to show you as an example. I've already gone into Claude and gotten a good explanation of the period. I'm working with the Victorian period. I want a certain realistic artwork type. So I'm going to plug all of that in. And that's it. I've already put it all in there. You see the period, who it's about, etc. I'm going to make sure this is switched on. I don't even need any images in this case, but that's how you get your agents set up to get going for you. And then from there, you just plug in your first instruction. So if you have, let's say you have a video with a list of scripts, and you want 1 clip per script, whether it's a shop video or a Facebook video, you could just say, hey, I need a storyboard for these 12 clips. And then here you would just plug in all the clips and it will go back to work. So let me show you what I did before. I got my beats from Claude. What I mean by beats is just like description of the video, what you're making, the different clips, etc. It could be TikTok. This particular video is pretty long, so the agent is coming back to me saying, "Oh, that's a lot of beats. Do you want them to be, clipped, or do you want full versions?" I want the full version. Make it full versions for everybody. So it's going back to work. All right, so now you see that the agent is working, and let me see that the side popped up here. So now you're actually seeing everything. Agent is working. You see they made a summary of every single scene. It's so cool, right? And they start to make a plan. You might even be presented with a storyboard. Oh, says something's coming up here. I think this is to show one of the prompts that they sent out. It just really saves so much time. I'm using low priority VO 3.1, so it doesn't cost any extra credits. You just wait a little bit longer. Here's some of the clips. Looks good. So you can really see how that's going to be such a huge time saver. Yeah, didn't like it requesting so fast. So I'm going to say, please resubmit any videos that may have failed. And that's basically it. So there's your quick tip of the day. Have fun. You guys